Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and super simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a Glam lighted crystal pumpkin. And so what you're going to need is you're going to need some of this floral diamond wrap. I picked this up at EFavormart.com. EFavormart.com is an online retailer of event supplies, party supplies, event lighting, and decor, and so much more. They reached out to me, and I partnered with them, and they provided me with a custom coupon code, a cozy casita, all one word, just like the channel name, and you can use that coupon code to save yourself 15% on your orders with them. And so you will need that floral diamond wrap. You're also going to need some of these Arrowhead Pendants. I also picked these up on EFavormart.com, and they are a crystal acrylic. And so what I'm going to be doing with this is I'm going to be using this as the pumpkin stem. So if you have a hot knife, you can use a hot knife to cut the bottom of it off to create the stem. I don't have a hot knife, so I'm just going to be heating a knife on my stovetop. You won't see this on camera, but I'm going to be cutting it with a hot knife. So you'll need these Arrowhead Pendants to create the stem. You're going to need some white iridescent glitter. I picked this up at EFavormart.com. Now you're going to also need some sort of lighting for the pumpkin, and that can be tea lights. I picked these up at EFavormart.com. They are bright white light. Or if you have some fairy lights, you could use fairy lights. I picked these up at TJ Maxx, but you can find these on EFavormart.com's website. They have these fairy lights as well. I've got some silver craft paint here, and so you can use that to paint just a leaf that you have lying around from some florals, which is what I've done. I painted it with this silver craft paint. And then you'll need some Mod Podge to put your glitter on with that, so you'll need the Mod Podge. I've got a little paintbrush here. Now from Dollar Tree, what you're going to need is you're going to need one of these glass fish bowls. And I guess this is like a vase or a candle holder, but it's a fishbowl shape, so you will need the fishbowl shape. So you'll need one of those. I have a round mirror here, and I picked this up at Dollar Tree. And then you'll need one of these glass candle holder plates. And I picked this up at Dollar Tree as well. I've got some peel and stick gemstones here. They are from Walmart. However, you can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using hot glue on my project. If you'd like to make this piece permanent, please use E6000 or an epoxy bond. And these are the items that we'll need in order to create the pumpkin. So let's get started. This is another simple and beautiful glam DIY. Isn't this pumpkin gorgeous? It turned out so great, and it was so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and start playing around and decorating with it. Well, there you have it, guys. Another beautiful and simple glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video.